Good morning, ma. Now we are going to find the answer for question number 12. A circular coil of radius R carries a current I. The magnetic field at its center is B. The distance from the center of the axis of the coil where the magnetic field is B by 8 is. Okay, so for a circular current carrying coil at B center is equal to B. B axial is given like B by 8. There is a formula for B axial is equal to B center by 1 plus x square by r square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, so B center, B axial is equal to B by 8 is equal to B center is B by 1 plus x square by r square whole power 3 by 2. B gets cancelled. 1 plus x square by r square whole power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 cube. 8 is written like 2 cube. So 3 gets cancelled. You will get 2 is equal to 1 plus what? 1 plus x square by r square whole power half. Square it on both sides. Then what will happen? 1 plus x square by r square is equal to 4. So you send this to right side. X square by r square is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 3. So x equal to root 3 times r. That is the value for that number. Okay, note down. Yes, the magnetic field at the center of a circular loop in the circuit as shown below. So we need to calculate the magnetic field at the center O. So to calculate it, they have given the current is I. So how to calculate the magnetic field at this point O? From this conductor. So what is the distance? This is R, perpendicular distance. So this is like one end of the conductor. So even this is also like one end of the conductor. For one end of the conductor, at this point, magnetic field is outside. Okay, just give like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, magnetic field for A, B where? So mu naught I by 4 pi r into sine alpha is 1 is 0, other one is 90. Since it will go like infinity. So 1 is alpha, here alpha is 0, sine 0 plus sine 90. So direction? Outward. So mu naught I by 4 pi r outward. Similarly for DE also same. So B for AB and B for sine 0 plus sine 90, even this is outside. So you will get mu naught I by 4 pi r, B for DE conductor. Okay, now go for circular loop. What is the magnetic field at the center of the circular coil? Mu naught for B, C, D, circular loop. Okay, mu naught I by formula 4 pi r into angle theta what? 2 pi at the center of circular coil. So that angle is not mentioned. We can treat it like center. Complete circle. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. So mu naught I by 2 r for B, C, D. What is the direction of it? Inwards. Okay, na? So magnetic field is inwards. So therefore B net is equal to at point A O 2 times B for AB, for B for BCD, B for DE. Mu naught I by 4 pi r is 2 times for BAB and BDE. So 2 times mu naught I by 4 pi r. That is both the directions are outside. Another one is inside. So that's why difference. Okay. So what we have to take? Minus mu naught I by 2r.
Mu naught I by 2r.
You can remove the direction, because of that you put minus, right? So mu naught I by
2r into 1 by pi minus 1.
Okay, see the options. Mu naught,
I by 2.
all are given mu naught by 4 pi. Okay, I by r
2
into
1 by 2 minus 5.
2 minus
5. Pi sir. 2 minus 5. Pi by 2.
2 also you can write outside. If you write outside 2, then 1 minus,
Pi this. So 2.
okay, 2 by r you take here. Here
2 minus.
Here I should write 2 pi, and then 2 pi I should write.
Sir.
Then 2 minus
2 pi.
2 pi.
1 minus pi.
Yes. Mu naught I by 4 pi r into 2 you make common, 1 minus pi. That's the value of net magnetic field. Note down. Yes, look at this. In the given figure, the magnetic induction at the point O they are asking to calculate. Okay. So now this is a conductor. So at this point O I need to calculate the magnetic field. So there are three parts of the conductor. One is AB, then BCD and DE. Okay. For AB part, where is the point? O. On axial. So what is the value? 0. Yes. B due to AB is equal to 0, since that point O lies on the axis of the conductor. Point O lies on the axis of the conductor. Okay. Then what about the magnetic field for BCD? That is a circular current carrying loop, semicircular loop. Okay. So direction outward. Outward. So what is the formula? Mu naught I by 4 pi r into theta. What is theta? Pi. So mu naught I by 4r. Okay na? That is outside. Next, you go to the last one, DE. Magnetic field for DE. So see here, this is from one end of the conductor. So mu naught I by 4 pi r into, one is 0, other one is 90. So sin 0 plus sin 90. The magnetic field is outward. So that is outward. So therefore B net I need. Tell me what is the value of the net magnetic field? B net is equal to?
Mu naught I by 2 pi r.
Yes. B due to AB, BCD, DE. 0 plus mu naught I by 4r and this is mu naught I by 4 pi r. Both are outside only. So you can add. So mu naught I by 4 pi r or anything you can write. What you can write? So pi plus 1. That is the answer. Or okay, directly they asked mu naught I by 4 pi plus mu naught I by 4 pi r. That's the answer. Two concentric circular coils A and B have radii 25 cm and 15 cm, carry the currents 10 ampere and 15 ampere. So here there are two coils, one is A and the other one is B. So A has number of turns, A has radii 25 centimeter and B has radii 15 centimeter, and A is carrying a current of 10 amperes and B is carrying a current of 15 amperes, but they are flowing in opposite directions. Okay. Now the number of turns in A coil is Na is equal to 24 turns and Nb is equal to 18 turns. Now what they are asking is, what is the net magnetic field at the center of common center of these coaxial loops? Okay na? So now how to calculate, we need to see here. First of all, what is the magnetic field directions, that and all you need to check. See here. So this is the direction of current for this. So what is the magnetic field? Goes inside. For this, outside. So both are opposite in direction. So you need to take
Negative.
yes, difference of these two conductors. Okay, conducting loops. Okay, now I need to calculate B1 and B2 separately and I will subtract. Okay na? So B net at O is equal to B1 minus B due to AB, difference B due to B, difference. Okay, so now
Mu not 10 by mu not 10.
what is the formula for a circular current carrying loop at the center? Mu naught Ni by 2R. Okay, so mu naught Na Ia 2Ra, difference mu naught Nb Ib by 2Rb. Mu naught by 2 you take common out. So Na 24,
10.
Ia
10.
10, Ra
25.
25. I will write centimeter is outside, or later we will see. Minus Nb
18
18, Ib 15 by Rb 15 into 10 power minus 2. So here you cancel it, 15 cancel, and 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay. So now mu naught, option is given in terms of mu naught only. Okay. So mu naught by 2 into 24 into 2 by 5, 48 by 5. 48 by 5 how much? So this is 10 power minus 2. I will write as 10 power 2, that is 4800, right? 10 power minus 2 go to numerator. Minus, this is 1800. So mu naught by 2 into, so how much? 48 by 5? 5 9s are 45, 36, 60, 960, difference 1800. How much? 1800 minus 960, difference
40. 840.
840 into mu naught by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 420 sir. So answer is 420, mu naught is the answer. So you got minus sign means which magnetic field is more? You got here minus. So minus means which is having more value? Resultant field direction.
B having more value rather than
Minus you got. Minus you got means which is more? B is having more. So the net magnetic field will be due to the direction of B. Is equal to 420 mu naught. B is what? In which direction? Outward. So outwards. That is your answer. They didn't ask you direction, but you can decide the direction like that.
Minus and needed outwards.
No. Which is dominating? That direction only your resultant.
Which is dominating?
I took A is more value.
B.
But if A is correct, more value, then you will get positive value only. But I got negative value. Means what?
B is greater.
The magnetic field which is produced by B is more than A. That's why I got negative. So B field direction only net field direction. So negative is you got now what you have taken to that opposite sign. So that means B is more than A. So that means magnetic field due to B only, you will get the resultant direction. Okay. Any other? Next, E is the current. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the magnetic field by an infinitely long conductor bent at right angle. Okay, so now at this point P, I wanted to calculate the magnetic field. I need to calculate. So with this axis of the conductor, it is making an angle 45 degree. So now I am going to calculate the magnetic field by this current carrying conductor. So general formula what? B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. Okay, alpha and beta considerations only important now, right? See here. Running, okay. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin alpha plus sin beta. Now see here. See, for this conductor, so if I take this is R, see what is that R? R equal to, R will become D by root 2 will come. R will become D by root 2. Right angle triangle na? So this is due. And what about this? Yes, okay. So now you see here B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi r into sin, 1 minute. See here, one is 90. Okay, other one is 45 but outside. So that means negative. Okay na? So now the formula is sin pi by 2 minus sin pi by 4. Okay na? Since it is outside. Okay, so to this geometrical region, this is outside. So minus 45. So now what is this? Mu naught I by 4 pi r. R is, you can write D by root 2. Okay. D by root 2 will come. Root 2 I will write numerator into sin 90. 1 minus 1 by root 2. This is for one conductor. Similarly, if you take this, this is also the same. So for this, it is also 45 degree. That is also minus. So same will come. So answer will be B net is equal to 2 times root 2 mu naught I by okay. Yes, see here there is an infinitely long bent conductor. See here a pair of stationary and infinitely long bent wires are placed in xy plane. Okay, are placed in xy plane as shown in figure. Okay, so the wires carry current of 10 amperes each as shown in figure. So here this is a carrying 10 amperes, even this is also carrying 10 amperes. Correct? So this is the direction, right? And now along the segments L and M are along x-axis. So this is x-axis and that is y-axis. P and Q are parallel to y-axis. P and Q are parallel to y-axis. that is, this is in the board plane is in xy plane. So in that x direction, L and M, this is x axis and this is y axis. Like that it is given. Okay, the segment P and Q are parallel to y axis such that OS equal to OR equal to 0.2. OS equal to OR equal to 0.02 meter. So from here to here it is 0.02 meter. Even here to here also 0.02 meter. Right? Now what they are asking is find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at point O by these two conductors. Okay, so see here, this is for LR conductor, that is an axis. So MS conductor is also an axis. So for these two, magnetic field is 0. So you will find the magnetic field due to SQ and RP. Okay na? So what we have to do is, now look at this. B is equal to B for LR is equal to B for MS. Both are 0 since on axis of conductor. Okay, next B for RP at O. At O. So what is the formula? Mu naught I by 4 pi R into sin 90 plus sin 0. Yes. So mu naught I by 4 pi, what is R? 0.02. So 2 in 10 power minus 2. Into I also I will write. What is the value of I? 10 amperes. Into sin 0, 0 plus 1. So what is the direction of it? Outward. What about this? These also outward. So both are adding. So B at what is this value? 10 mu naught by 8 pi. Yes. Okay, that is the value BRP at O. That is outside. Similarly, B for SQ at O is also same. 10 cube mu naught by 8 pi outside. So therefore B net is equal to add all. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 10 cube mu naught by 8 pi 2 times. Yes, 2 ones are 2 4 pi's are 10 cube into mu naught by 4 pi. What is the value of mu naught by 4 pi? 10 power minus mu naught by 4 pi value 10 raised to minus 7. So 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 7
equals to 10 raised to minus 4. This one.
Tesla. That is the value of B net. Direction? Outward. That is along Z axis. If at all you wanted to represent in vector form, K cap you can represent. That's the answer. Right. Find the magnetic field at O. How to calculate this? Yes. So totally, how many parts of the conductors are there? 4 parts are there. Okay. Right. So if you take this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So AB is straight conductor and D is also straight conductor. For that on axis of the conductor 0. For B due to AB and B due to DE 0. Okay, then what about B due to BCD?
Mu naught I by 4R.
4 by R into
Pi.
4 by R2 into pi cancel. So mu naught I by 4R2. Direction
Inverse.
Invert. Okay, then what about magnetic field due to what? EFA?
Mu naught I by 4 R1. That is also inverse.
Mu naught I by 4 pi R1 into pi. So what is the direction? Inwards. So mu naught I by 4 R1 inwards.
Mu naught I by 4 into 1
So
by
where will you, 1 minute, where will you get the more magnetic field?
more magnetic field due to first sir R2 radius.
See, mu naught I is same for this and this also.
So mu naught I by 4 R2 is having more magnetic field. Sir.
Yes, R1 is less, R2 is more. Since denominator is less value has more value.
Sir, R2 is bigger than
Yes, so B due to this is bigger, then is smaller. So B net is equal to,
mu naught I by 4 into R1 plus R2 by
okay, sorry. So no need to consider the difference which is more. So both are acting in the same direction. You need to add. Mu naught I by 4 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 inwards.
Mu naught I by 4 into R1 plus R2 by R1 R2.
R1, R2. That is the answer. Note down.